Hello my viewer and welcome back to another unboxing, view and test. Today I have this Vileda 1.2 Spray Max. Flat spray cleaning system is ideal for all types of floors, even the most sensitive ones. Effectively clean tiles, laminate and more. Easy and fast clean without a bucket. Soft grip elements with a spray trigger. You must connect the spray trigger to the main unit. Large container 600 ml. Silicone cover on the water outlet of the container to prevent leakage. Add a few drops of your favorite detergent to the water in the container. Sealed well with the cover and then install the container to the main unit. Press and it will lock. Double multi-purpose microfiber cloth, washable up to 200 times. The spray nozzle sprays the ideal amount of water on the floor without damaging the delicate floors. Just press the lever on the handle and spray. The base rotates 180 degrees so you can clean a large area and goes under furniture. Quick and easy cleaning with minimal effort. Add the detergent to your choice to the container using the special dispenser. Spray 5 times and clean. It's always ready for use. And there is no need to use a bucket. I like it. It does an amazing job of cleaning my house without spilling unnecessary water on the floor. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.